Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I am going to explain different types of functions. Okay, so basically there are two types of functions are available in Python. Okay, one is built-in function and the other one is user-defined function. Okay, so if someone's asked like basically what is this built-in function? So we have to answer that built-in function is nothing but these are the functions which are already available in the Python. Okay, yeah, let me write this. So these are the functions, built-in functions are the functions which are already available in Python, is known as built-in functions. Okay, so like there are many built-in functions available in Python. Let me give some few of examples. So first one is a print. Okay, so we can call print is a built-in function, and length is also a built-in function, and minimum, maximum, and also type is also a built-in function. Okay, there are many more, but these are the few of examples like which are available built-in functions in Python. Okay, and the next one is user defined function. Okay, so user defined functions is nothing but it's a function which user want to define the function, means we want to define the function. Okay, let me give an example for that. So user defined function is nothing but user want to define the function is known as user defined function. So example of that is, so first, like if you want to define the user, we have to mention def keyword, followed by we have to mention the user define. Okay, so def is a keyword, and I will be writing the function name called names. Okay, I'll be writing names followed by parenthesis colon. Okay, now what I will do, just I'll print few names here. Okay, as Krishna, um, Radhe, and Leela. Okay, so this is just I defined a function. Now I need to call the function. So without calling a function we cannot print. Okay, just now I will call the function name. Okay, so now I have called it. So if I execute this, you guys can see the output. The names Krishna, Radhe, Leela has been printed. So the names is nothing but a user defined function. Okay, now suppose now I don't want to write the entire names, just the entire code. Without writing this entire code, if I want to print this, just if I mention like just if I execute this name, I'll be getting the complete names. You guys can see names. If I execute this, so I got Krishna, Radhe, Leela. So this is nothing but user defined function. User defined function is nothing but the user will be defining the function. Okay, it's known as user defined function. And built-in function is nothing but here the functions which are already available in Python, those functions we'll be using. Okay, example print, length, minimum, maximum, type, and many more like range, and these are things. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys have understood these types of functions. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I'll be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.